Did you know? Snakes are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth. They don't smell with their nose like us. Instead, they use their tongue to sense tiny particles in the air. Snakes shed their skin several times a year so they can keep growing and stay healthy. Here's something mind-blowing. Snakes can swallow prey much bigger than their own head, thanks to their super flexible jaws. And although they have no legs, some snakes can climb trees and even swim with ease. Scary? Maybe. But snakes are vital for nature, keeping balance by controlling pests and rodents. Snakes are more than just scary. They're amazing survivors of nature. Follow for more incredible animal facts. Bye-bye.